Hey everybody, welcome to the Ridgway world. I'm Jeff, and...
You're not.
Yeah, you're not. No, come here, walk with me, talk with me.
Yes.
And don't step in a hole. Look, like that. After I sprained my ankle and fell out the door yesterday, and you wished you had it on video.
I did wish I had it on video.
But I could have snapped my 62-year-old leg. Voila, look.
Oh, wow. Isn't that cool?
Isn't that chicken of the woods or something? Or
I think it
woods
might
of the
be.
Chicken, or chicken with his head cut off, or whatever the heck it is.
You want me to cut it off and cook it up for you?
Yeah, well, I don't know. Is that edible?
It's supposed to. I mean, I would assume it tastes like chicken.
Yeah, I would assume. Doesn't everything? Here's my other thing. Did you pile old mulch here?
I might have emptied it out of some buckets.
Okay. No, there was a stick in the ground, a pile of this mulch. I just kicked it over, almost like somebody was marking it.
Are you taking inventory?
I do take inventory. That's what I do. I walk around and check things out. I pick things up and put them down. Well, what were you doing? Nosing, looking out the window at me?
Well, we haven't put a video up, so I thought we'd just give them a little update on what we're doing.
Right. And how we just got back from a camping trip down to Sun Outdoors, Rehoboth, that we do every year, which was out...
Massey's Landing, which I can post a link if anybody wants to see that video.
Right. And it was nice, other than we had like gale force winds, because each year we try to get the same site right on the water, the Indian River. But the wind was so bad we couldn't even put the awning out, but one day for, I don't know, about a half an hour it was going to rip it off. And then it rained for 3 days. And
Johnny's doing really well. Aren't you, Johnny?
Other than he has weak legs, but he's had that for years. But
just a few accidents.
Yep, a few accidents. But during the camping trip, though, he held his own.
And Tuna's doing good.
He was well known for the campground.
And we came home and there's a package for him.
Yeah. Why, do you want to open that now?
In a bit.
Okay.
In a bit. Any hummingbirds out here?
Yeah, there was. There was 3 over at the far one near the pool, and then there was 1 just here. But I switched up the fluid is the clear instead of the red. And
they don't like that as much?
They're not as crazy about it, I don't think. But like we were talking, it's the end of the season, you know? So maybe they're starting to migrate already. I don't know. Who knows? And who knows what we gonna watch tonight?
I know. Well, Jesse might do another one in the spring, maybe. You know.
So we gotta wait till the spring then.
That survival series, we really enjoyed it. Right. I had it on the TV.
Your
like
iPad.
Every single day.
Your iPad. Your phone.
I had it on my phone. I just thought that it was not just addicting, but Jay Game was he's just a good soul. Right. And I liked that it was so real. It was
very real. I think the way he showed his emotions throughout the whole thing, you know, and it was very genuine.
And we were very invested.
Right. And you hear his life experience and things like that, what he went through many years ago. And
I enjoyed the chat. Yeah. There was somebody who requested some video of my gnome gardens, which I'm going to add to the end of this video.
Which you're good at. You spent a lot of time. You've spent a lot of time.
Yeah, I think her name was Big Mama. Yeah. And yeah, there's names I see that I can associate with the survival series.
And going back to it, we spent a lot of time and effort in the background watching. I mean, it was like, I just remember coming through the living room and it's on the TV in there, and then you catch yourself and you stop and you look, and then you come back later on after doing something. You come back and we still have it on. I mean, because the dogs like watching it too. Yeah. Because we left it on for them.
And I liked hearing the stories. I liked everything. Right. I missed it. I'm not gonna lie. I shed a tear when it was over.
Yes, you did.
I thought the ending was beautiful. The music got me.
This girl has been instrumental in this whole production.
Hell yeah.
For 2 months now. For the month prior, in prepping all of this with me, in keeping the show running, keeping me fed, keeping me healthy. A lot of the camera work, a lot of shot, like times where I can't shot change, she's gonna go in producer mode. She's gonna be filming the final moments with Jesse, reuniting, and she's rocking the blue cam over here, our tight zoom cam. Got some really pretty shots and some musical moments. Well, I love you, babe. Thank you for helping us with this series. Sorry I have a addiction problem, but you know, I hope this is worth it. Keep it rigid, man.
Thank you for everything, yo.
See you, brother.
See you, man.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. I hope you feel well.
You too.
I saw the video and I was screaming. I'm like, oh God. I'm thinking about
Bye, everybody.
Keep it rigid, chat. See them pull away.
Yep. I'm getting the dry one.
I'm gonna miss J Game doing that Juggy Money dance.
Yeah, that was good.
Need your help to make it come true. Jogging money, honey. We need that jogging money. Drop a dime, drop a dollar.
There he is.
Jogging money, funny. It's all for the thrill. We're surviving in style. Footing that bill.
Got a hammer swing and a fire quick glow. Designer flannels, yeah, you know how it.
But Jesse's got to put something else together for us.
Yeah.
Do we have to wait till spring for
Well,
that?
he has to get better,
I
so
know.
let's wait till the spring on that. And speaking of better, your eye. Look at that. That is terrible. I think you're going to have to go see the eye doctor.
No. I just squeezed pus out of it. Aren't they beautiful?
Yes, they are.
For happy 39th anniversary.
Yeah, minus the roses. The roses died.
Did they?
Yeah, but everything else looks wonderful.
Right. Luckily, there was a shop in the town we stayed in, so that I snuck out and picked up. So I wasn't empty-handed. But we have a nice gift here for John and tuna fish.
What did I get you?
You got me a monocular, which
So
I'll
you
show
can
that.
look at your birds.
Yes. Oh, this is for John and Luna. And this is from Dave, Jack, and Anita,
Aw.
which we appreciate them so much. And there's a card, and it's a Hallmark. Very nice. Oh, puppy. Jack still picks the cards. John and Luna, we really enjoy your mom and dad's videos. Enjoy the treats.
Thank
Hearts.
you.
Dave,
Thank
Jack,
you.
and Anita. Thank you. And da-da-da,
Holy
pepperoni.
cow!
That's a big
They
one.
hit the jackpot.
But yeah, but there's two.
Oh my goodness!
There's two pepperonis, one for each pup.
That'll last them to Christmas.
Oh yeah. And thank you very much, Dave, Jack, and Anita. We really
Yes,
appreciate it.
and they'll thank you too. We'll
Yeah.
be giving them one
You guys
soon.
are the best. We appreciate it as always. So
I didn't know they sold them so big.
I didn't know either. That's a big one.
Nice.
Oh, that's prime rib
Luna
tuna fish.
smells it. Yeah, look.
Oh, tuna fish.
Top sirloin and New York strip. John, don't look so excited, John.
I don't think John's gonna move for this. You'll have to take it to him.
And then we have a prime rib.
Ah, which one? Triple steak or prime rib, tuna fish?
This one? I think so too.
Yeah, she's not moving, so it must be that one.
You ready? You love these things. I know your daddy loves them. Oh my my gosh, they're twice the size too.
Oh my God, that's at least a foot.
She said, "Thank you, Dave.
Yep.
Thank you, Dave." No, Luna, this is his.
Dang, John.
He said,
Thank you, Dave. Yep, appreciate it.